Welcome! In this video, I'll be walking you through a quick and easy guide to enable Vibrate for Incognito notifications on Chrome. If you've ever missed an Incognito notification because your phone only showed it silently, this setting will be really useful. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your phone gently buzzing whenever you get an Incognito notification, so you'll never overlook it again. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your phone and head straight into Settings. This is where all the adjustments to apps and notifications can be managed. Next, scroll down a bit until you find the section called Apps. Tap on it, and from the list of applications installed on your phone, search for Chrome. It should be near the top if you use Chrome often, but if not, a quick search inside the Apps menu should bring it up. Once you're inside the Chrome settings, look for Notifications. This is where you'll find different categories of alerts that Chrome uses. Tap to open it. Inside the Notifications page, you'll see an option called Notification Categories. This area organizes different types of Chrome alerts. Find and tap on the one labeled Incognito. Here's the important part. Inside the Incognito category, you'll see a toggle for Vibrate. If it's switched off, simply tap to turn it on. With that one little switch, your phone will now vibrate whenever an Incognito notification comes through. And that's it. Just a few taps, and you've adjusted Chrome to work exactly the way you want. This small feature can make a big difference, especially if you rely on vibrations more than sounds to catch your attention. So let's do a really quick recap. Settings, Apps, Chrome, Notifications, Notification Categories, Incognito, and finally, toggle on Vibrate. Super simple, and it only takes a minute. Now you're all set with Vibrate for Incognito notifications on Chrome. If this helped you out, make sure to share it with someone who could use the same tip. Thanks for watching.